Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see might be the most exciting Mahindra SUV of 2026. The all-new Mahindra XUV 7XO. Bolder, safer, faster, and smarter than ever before.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel TurboTorque Media. If you love realistic car reviews, cinematic shots, and honest opinions, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
Today we are reviewing the beast Mahindra XUV 7XO 2026.
Let's start with the design. The 2026 XUV 7XO looks aggressive, premium, and futuristic.
New LED DRLs, bold front grille, sculpted bonnet, and aerodynamic body lines make it look ready for both city roads and highways.
Alloy wheels are sporty, the rear LED tail lamps look sharp, and overall, this SUV screams power and presence. Step inside, and you'll feel the upgrade immediately. The cabin is expected to offer a large touchscreen infotainment system and a fully digital instrument cluster, premium upholstery, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof. You also get features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, ventilated seats, premium sound system, and smart connected car tech, making every drive comfortable and high-tech.
Mahindra XUV 7XO 2026 is expected to come with petrol and diesel engine options, possibly with turbocharged performance.
Expected power 170 to 200 PS. Expected torque 350 to 380 Newton meters.
Top speed around 195 to 200 kilometers per hour.
This means you get quick acceleration, smooth highway cruising, and strong overtaking power.
Now, let's talk about mileage.
The expected fuel efficiency for the XUV 7XO 2026 is petrol around 14 to 16 km per liter.
The expected fuel efficiency for the XUV 7XO 2026 is diesel around 17 to 19 km per liter.
For a powerful SUV, this mileage is quite impressive and makes it suitable for both city drives and long road trips.
Safety is where Mahindra always shines, and the XUV 7XO 2026 is expected to continue that legacy.
Expected crash test rating 5-star global NCAP. That means maximum protection for you and your family, making it one of the safest SUVs in its segment.
Behind the wheel, it feels confident and commanding. The steering is light in the city and stable on highways.
The suspension absorbs bumps smoothly, the cabin remains quiet, and the ride quality feels premium and comfortable even on rough roads. Whether you're driving in traffic on highways or on weekend trips, this SUV delivers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. Now the big question, price.
Expected price in India starting from 15 lakh going up to 22 lakh ex-showroom. With this pricing, the XUV 7XO 2026 competes with top SUVs in the segment
and offers great value for money considering its features, safety, and performance.
So if you're planning to buy a new SUV in 2026, this one should definitely be on your short list. So should you buy the Mahindra XUV 7XO 2026?
If you're looking for a safe, powerful, feature-packed, and stylish SUV that performs well in both city and highway conditions, then yes, this SUV is absolutely worth waiting for.
If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Stay connected to the channel TurboTorque Media for more realistic car reviews, cinematic videos, and honest opinions. Comment below, would you buy the Mahindra XUV 7XO 2026? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.